Database is a collection of data where the data is collected and stored in a particular form of files. If we take the examples of admission registers, fee particulars, or any mark list, etc., of any schools and colleges or any educational institutions, here the data of students are recorded and stored in the form of files. Wikipedia, a website in internet where you can get a huge amount of data which is collected and stored at a particular place. It is the example for information stored over internet. Coming to the database management system, that is DBMS. It is basically a program which is computer based. The data is collected and stored in the form of in these computer programs, that is digitally. If we take the examples like MySQL, Microsoft Access, FileMaker, and FoxPro, and there are many more, you can take some of the examples like this. Here, if we take Microsoft Office as an example, in this Microsoft Office, Excel, PowerPoint, Word Office, MS Paint, these are some of the programs where we can record the data and also store it digitally. This is the work of DBMS. Coming to the advantages of DBMS, the database management system has promising potential advantages like controlling redundancy, like the duplication of data is reduced, integrity can be enforced, that is, accuracy and consistency is increased, and inconsistency can be avoided. If the integrity is increased, then automatically inconsistency is reduced. Data can be shared. We can share the data through any device or any platform. And also the standards can be enforced. That is, the certain rules and regulations are to be followed. Data abstraction in DBMS. It is of three levels. Internal level. It is also known as physical level. It is the innermost level. Conceptual level or logical level. External level. It is also known as view level. It is the outermost level. External level is the level which is seen by the individual. If we take Flipkart app as an example, whatever we see, the prices, details regarding the product are in the view level. Conceptual level. It describes what data is actually stored in database, what to be stored so we can get the view level clear. Here the data is viewed by the database manager, and internal level, the innermost level. Here the data is actually stored on the storage medium. Here the data is stored by programmers. In this three schema architecture of data abstraction, where we can see the levels clearly. View level, which is the outermost level, which can be viewed by a user. Logical or conceptual level, it is the intermediary level where a DBMS manager can view. And the physical level, which is the innermost level, and the actual storage is present, and also it is viewed by a programmer. Thank you for watching the video.